It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Hello, welcome to another episode of New Food Friday.
Today we're trying
Strawberry Rhubarb Jam. It was made by our Great Aunt Brenda and someone else, and she made it for us, and she sent it to us in the mail for us to try on for New Food Friday.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. But pick more, I need more. See that one? You remember you wanted that one? I can't pick it up. Ugh. I get covered in jelly.
Here, tastes like strawberry with rhubarb crumble. A little bit of rhubarb in it.
It tastes like a bunch of strawberries, and I have a chunk of strawberry right here. Yeah, it's good.
It's very
really
good.
Sweet. Strawberries right
You
here.
can hardly taste the rhubarb,
It's really
but it's still
sweet,
good.
and I like it.
It's very sticky like syrup. I bet this would work good on like breakfast items like pancakes, waffles,
This is a
and that sort of
pancake.
stuff. But like other breakfast items like biscuits, this would be awesome on them. Or like
The fun
stuff. It's pretty good.
I'll give it a thumbs up. Yeah,
Really
Brad
sweet
should
by
give it
itself.
to us. Yeah,
And chunky.
totally chunky.
I'd say that would be the ultimate jelly or jam on a PB&J sandwich. That would make it so sweet and so good. I'd say that's the best jam I've ever tried.
Yeah, but there's a whole can right here. It probably is the best. It's really sticky. But there's a whole can right
I'll
here.
give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs
Bye-bye.
up. But
I wouldn't say it's the best jam ever.
why? Still pretty good though. Bye.